JG, backdoor action 2.
Backdoor action, pause.
I can't read a super chat.
Hey, girl cheeks.
Thank you.
Clapping cheeks.
So fun.
Yeah.
Welcome to the button.
We need to get a HTB shirt.
HTB, bro.
Yeah, we need an HTB shirt. They say MJ 2 disses away from throwing the N-word. That's my picker right there. All right.
What about the Star Spangled Banner?
You gotta know the Star Spangled
I know
Banner.
the Star Spangled.
Let's
Sing it right now.
You want me to start you off?
Go ahead.
Oh, say
Hey, can you?
Boo!
Pakistan.
the
Nah, we fucking
bombs
with you, girl.
bursting.
And the bomb, it goes boom.
Y'all more Al Qaeda than I am.
HTB,
God
girl.
damn.
It's
HTB.
not.
HTB.
Is
You ever
is
sat in
this
church and
fitted hat?
the preacher talking to you and you sleep? And you wake up and look at girl like, oh shit.
HTB.
Hey, come on, girl. Look.
That was bad, girl. That was bad.
That wasn't a
That
joke.
was
That's
bad.
truth, though.
That-
You ain't never fell asleep in church.
You ain't never
That's what
fell
I'm saying.
asleep in church?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, nigga. You so thirsty to press the damn button.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit was trash.
Nigga, that's real life, fool.
Nigga, when the last time you been to church?
Yesterday, bitch. I just told you I went yesterday.
Tony Swisher said, why Illa didn't show them yams on Friday? Pun had the Bay Area legend in the building.
Absolutely. I was on my journalism shit. I was trying to really get some game from the
We
game.
don't want no
guys.
journalism from you.
Damn.
I'm joking.
First of all,
HTB.
it was.
That's not an ACB.
See how can I get back?
All right.
See how can I get
All
back?
right. That wasn't an ACB though.
What was your remedy, though? Like, what did you do? You just
Stayed off on it.
you just went to bed?
Yeah. What?
This guy. He had a broken toe and just went to bed.
Bro, it's not like I broke my foot.
Yeah, you get the ACB again, Pun. I'm sorry, that wasn't a good one.
I understood you, Pun.
What the fuck is wrong with this nigga? You put your foot in Epsom salt or something? You know what Epsom salt is?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't like that one either.
What time is it in Africa right now? EAT, East Africa time.
Nice.
Eat?
Like PST, EAT is theirs.
Eat.
Oh, I get what you're saying. Hit the button.
Yeah.
Nigga, it wasn't a
Hit the
joke.
button, nigga. Hit the button,
It
nigga.
wasn't a joke.
Hit
That
joke.
shit ain't funny. My boy out there in East Africa, 6:34 in the morning. You watching us, man. Appreciate you, bro.
Shout out to
Yeah.
Eat.
You know what I mean?
AD.
Scrambled eggs and goat.
He probably said it.
You want that shit to work so bad.
Scrambled eggs and goat.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you get an ACB for that one. That nigga looked around too. Scrambled eggs and go. There's
Right.
no real communities no more like.
Until now.
Because keep
Yes.
it real, everybody's on social media. The parents
realest
and shit
community.
too.
The realest community.
That one.
Community, bro. You got a pet before?
Yeah.
What you at?
Bro, random shit. I had a goat.
Okay. Stop here.
I'm not playing. I had a
What happened to that
What was
goat?
your goat's name?
What happened to that goat?
LeBron.
What?
The
Yo, you got a goat named LeBron?
You really had a goat. What happened to him?
Thanksgiving happened.
No,
We
they
love to
fine.
call-
Leave my dogs
We like to
alone.
call PETA and CPS.